Hi guys, another yummy recipe sharing, cassava cake. Of course, the main ingredients, cassava. Peel it off and grate it well. Using a steamer cloth, squeeze the juice from grated cassava. That juice, we don't need that. After that, weigh your cassava and make sure it is within 0.8 to 1 kg for this recipe. Now we need 2 cups of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of grated cheese, 1/4 cup melted unsalted butter, 1/4 granulated sugar, 1/4 condensed milk, and mix it thoroughly. Now we have to bake it in the oven at 220 degrees for 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's have 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup condensed milk, 1/3 cup of grated cheese, and put it on medium heat. Continuously mix it until you have the consistency that you need. After an hour, here you go. We have to put the toppings on our cassava cake. For final touch, we need a grated cheddar cheese on the top. We need to bring it back again to the oven at 250 degrees in 15 minutes. Here you go! Cassava cake in Pinoy style. Can't get enough of this. It's very delicious. Try it now! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.